So we completed our third line. 1, 2, 3. Now we will make a slip stitch. Now we will start our fourth line. For that we have to make 3 rings chain. This is the first one. And in this line also we have to increase 12 double crochet. So for that we will make 2 double crochet in the third ring. This is the first double crochet in the third ring, and then the second one, so for every line, whenever we want to increase the number of rings, we have to increase it in the second double crochet which we made in the same ring. This would be the first one in the third, and this would be the second one. So in the next line we have to make 2 double crochet in this fourth one, as this is the second double crochet which we made it means to increase this line. So you can easily find this. Here we made 2 double crochet. This would be the second one, and in the second one itself we made 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. In the next line we have to make 2 double crochet in this second one. Here 2 double crochet will come, and in the next line we have to make 2 double crochet in the second one. Like this we have to follow. So if we do like this, then we no need to be confused how many rings we have to make. So this is the first 4 rings, and then again we will start with the fifth one. 1, 2, 3. Here again this is the second double crochet, that means extra one we made it in the previous line. So we have to make another double crochet in the same ring. 2 and then 2. So likewise we have to follow. So it means here we made 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet, and in the next line we made 2 single double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 4 rings, 4 double crochet will be the one set. You can find this 4 set 12 times in the fourth line. So I will be soon once I complete this fourth line. So I have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 lines of double crochets. So here this is the small one for the cups, and this one would be the big one for the teapot. So that is why I made 7 lines. Here I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet lines, and last one is the half double crochet line. So we have finished our 7 lines of double crochet lines. We will slip stitch. Now we will start making half double crochet line. For that we need to make 1 ring. Now we have to start our half double crochet. wrap the wool, insert into the same ring where you have just made the slip stitch, pull through the wool and again pull through the wool from this 3 rings. So repeat the same pattern. In this line also we will increase 12 half double crochet to this line. I will tell you where we have to increase those 12 rings. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 half double crochet. Now here we have to increase 1 half double crochet. You can easily find these 2 rings are the increased rings from the last line. So we have to make 2 half double crochet in this ring. 1 and then 2. So for after every 6 half double crochet you have to make 2 half double crochet in the same ring. Again you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here you can see 2 double crochet and which are we made in the same ring. So these are the 6 half double crochet you have to make, and in this the 7th ring you have to make 2 half double crochet, so that the overall count will be 6 plus 2, 8. So I will show you how to make this half double crochet once again. This is how we have to finish this line. I will be back once I finish this line. I have finished this last line, half double crochet. So we have finished this project. We have to ended up with the slip stitch. And again pull through the wool from this ring. And you just cut the wool. Now we will insert this extra wool inside. You make a small knot here so that it will not come out, and then pull it tight. Here you can see 2 rings. So you just pull through the wool from these 2 and again from the next 2. Now you just cut this extra wool. For the middle one also, you just make a knot so that it will not come out easily. And then just insert this wool into the stitches. And cut this extra wool. So we are done with this mats or coasters. I have made 6 small mats for the cups. So these are the 6 small mats, and this one is for the teapot. So we have done with this project. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it to all your friends. And you can find many more videos in upcoming days. Thank you so much.